was like, I needed more compassion. She gave me no compassion. She was like really bitchy to me, okay? That compassion is what she needed to give herself. That compassion is what she needed to give him. That compassion is what he needed to give her. It's the one thing on the triangle that everybody needs to give themselves. And I said to her one day, I said, why did he cheat? What did the woman give him that you didn't? What did the woman give you that your wife didn't?
That's, again, attention, conversation.
Attention.
So forth.
He needs to give himself the attention. And I said to her, in this case, the answer was compassion. She said that he was, the lover was more compassionate than his wife. And I said, you need to give your husband and yourself compassion. And she was like, what? He fucking cheated. What do you mean I have to be compassionate to him? Mirror, mirror. Mirror, mirror, people. He needs to give attention to himself. It has nothing to do, and he has to give attention to the wife.
Instead of the word attention, would it be better to use friendship? Because I think that's what it really was.
Okay, whatever word.
Because I even told her that. I was like, we forgot to be friends.
Whatever word. And how are we going to know exactly what we need? We're going to find the word, and we're going to what? We're going to define it.
Define it.
We're going to make it measurable and define it. So whether it's friendship, James, or compassion, like in my story with my case study, or infidelity, as in your case, we're going to define it. Because the only way that with a couple I can say, look, you need to give him compassion and he needs to give you compassion, everyone needs to define it. And then the couple is going to say, I want compassion, this is how I define compassion, and you're going to give this definition to your boyfriend. Your boyfriend is going to define compassion and give it to you. Or infidelity, or attention, or friendship. And now both people in the system are giving themselves what they need, because whatever they write and define, they're going to give to themselves first. Then you give it to the other person. That other person could not give you friendship or attention because you're not giving yourself friendship and attention. And there's somewhere, you use the word work, where you're not doing work that you need to be doing. Because you're saying, no mom, you put work first. No mom, you put this first. My mother wasn't an alcoholic. My mother didn't drink. It was another thing in my life that she put before me. So as soon as you recognize that it's something, and you can identify it and define it, you know exactly what you need to integrate. The minute you integrate it, you've integrated your shadow, your bad bucket, you've damn accepted that you're your parent, which is the biggest blow to accept it. And all you do is become aware. If you don't want to integrate them, that's fine. I don't give a shit. You want to keep cheating and keep being cheated on? Go right ahead. I'm not going to judge you. You want to keep having your adult-child transaction with your spouses and your partners? Go right ahead. But it will change your life if you let it, because you will stop being the victim. You will take ownership. You can fix your relationship with your parents, with yourself, and you can have a healthy, loving relationship if you're willing to accept that you're allowed, if you have the permission and you give yourself the permission. We've got to go. Any questions? I need you to assimilate this. This is the importance of the truth is in the triangle. Okay? We're going to talk more and more about it. So we